What's up, everybody? So today I want to talk about advertising a little bit. Well, first I want to start off with, I get asked all the time, do you wear the same shirts over and over? If you'll notice, I had a blue shirt on yesterday, but this one has a pocket. Hate pocket shirts, but y'all know me. I go to Walmart, shirt was like 12 bucks. I just don't see the point in wearing expensive clothes, okay? I do wear expensive shoes. I love basketball shoes, but I just can't see myself paying a lot for a shirt or shorts. My shorts come from Walmart too, by the way. Anyway, when it comes to advertising, so many companies pay for advertising, and they want you to think that they don't pay for advertising. So, not gonna say no names. Y'all know who I'm talking about. Again, I said I was done with him, but I reached out to badcredit.org to see about advertising. And what they replied with was price points. That's literally how they make their money. So I could pay badcredit.org to write a blog about everything credit LLC. Think about it like this. If a guy on YouTube in Vietnam is always showing these screenshots and videos of getting 80 something thousand views from badcredit.org in like 9 minutes. Don't you think they would have more than 5, 10, maybe 20 views on YouTube? Because it's not real. It's you know, I mean it's real to an extent. You're paying somebody for the advertisement, but it's the same as people who pay for subscribers. They pay for those subscribers, but those subscribers don't watch the videos because they're paid subscribers. Anyway, Google. I've said this before, and yes, I'm not on Google. You can literally pay to skip the line and be above everybody. So when somebody searches for your company or credit repair or whatever niche you're in, you're going to pull up first. Also, if you are searching for your own company on your own computer that you've searched before, you're going to be the first one that pulls up. People aren't going to tell you that, but that's how it works. No, I'm not a Google expert. And again, I'm not on Google. I don't have a LinkedIn. I've said it and I'll say it again. I'll say it every day if I have to. I don't need those things to get business. My results speak for themselves. My video reviews speak for themselves. My transparency speaks for itself. If you know me, if you've been on a phone call with me, if I'm working on your credit, you know I'm working as hard as possible day and night to get you the results you want, you need, you deserve. So just remember, y'all, these companies, these people on YouTube, you know, they talk about the stuff they have because they think it makes them look better. But again, I reached out to badcredit.org. I can literally pay them to write a really, really nice blog about everything credit LLC, and it'll look like hundreds of thousands of people are looking at it, you know, every few minutes. But we don't pay for advertising. We don't pay for subscribers. We don't pay for views. We don't do none of that stuff. I mean, we just don't. I don't believe in it. I want everything to be the correct way. I want everything to be natural, per se. But anyway, if y'all have any questions about this video or anything I talked about, just leave them in the comments. I hope everybody has a great Saturday, and I'll see y'all next time.